Adrian Pasdar is an American actor and voice artist. He is known for playing Jim Prophet on the TV series Prophet, for his roles in Near Dark, Carlito's Way, Mysterious Ways and as Nathan Petrelli on Heroes. Additionally, he directed the feature film Cement. Pasdar is the voice of Iron Man and Marvel anime as well as in the animated series Ultimate Spider-Man and Avengers Assemble. He also played District Attorney Alec Rybak on The Lying Game and had a recurring role as Glenn Talbot on Agents of S.H.I.E.L.D. He has appeared on the American TV drama Grand Hotel as Felix. Pasdar was born in Pittsfield, Massachusetts. His father, Humayun Pasdar, was an Iranian immigrant who was a cardiac surgeon with a practice near Philadelphia. His mother, Rosemarie Spresny, worked as a travel agent. He graduated from Marple Newtown High School, where he played football and studied acting. His sister, Anna Mary Pasdar, is a theatrical artistic director and producer. Pasdar turned his attention to campus stage productions and rediscovered an early interest in writing and acting. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.